welcome to Catholic Craft. I'm Tammy.
And this is Esther. Today we are going to make t-shirts.
Yeah, our 4th of July t-shirts to celebrate the birthday of our country.
Whee! But if you don't live in America,
Oh no, well we're not, you don't live in America, but you can still
You
wear
can-
the stripes and stars. I never thought about that.
no,
actually.
if you didn't live in America, you could make another t-shirt with your flag on it.
You could, and you could switch things, especially if they have stripes
Yeah.
and stars. But for today, we're celebrating the 4th of July, which is the birthday of our country. And it's a great celebration to be patriotic and, of course, give thanks to God for the wonderful blessing of freedom. So,
So, let's get started.
let's get started.
So, this is what we need. Sharpie, and what is this again?
Blue painter's tape.
And stars. And spray paint, and then
Yeah, but
white
they're-
t-shirts.
These happen to be foam stars, but you can use any kind of star
Star-
stickers.
Sticker stars.
These are the foam ones, but any star stickers, and you could even cut your own stars out if you. We almost had to be desperate and do that, but we did find these.
Mhm.
And then the spray paint.
Yes.
You forgot something kind of important. I
What?
don't think you mentioned it.
T-shirt.
Yeah, the t-shirts.
I said t-shirt before.
I'm sorry, I missed that. So we've got white t-shirts.
Yes, we do.
Now, so the first thing we want to do is put our stars on our t-shirt.
Okay, I think
This one is yours.
Yeah, that's. How am I supposed to put the stars on it? We don't have a lot of room.
We've got lots of room, hon.
Can I put them on both sleeves?
We're just going to aim for the first part of the t-shirt, like you saw, the finished product already. So we're going to put our stickers on across the top. I'm going to put a piece of tape across the top. You can keep on sticking. I would suggest use all the same, I don't know, you could use the same size or not, it doesn't matter. But I'm going to draw a line. This will go on your t-shirt, and so you put the stickers above this particular line.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Oh yay! It's right there. Now
Okay,
you
so
can't
your
do
stickers
it.
go above that.
Can I put it on the tape though? If I want one there.
No, I'm going to put them on the tape.
Now I can put
And I
mine in
have them-
different places than yours.
And I
right?
have them pretty much, yeah, and I have it pretty much, they kind of right above the armpit line.
No, I can do it on the sleeves. You can't though.
Yeah.
Right. You'll see what we're doing. That's the difference between our t-shirts.
These are the big ones, or are you using all sizes?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to show. They're pretty cool. I love this t-shirt. Am I gonna? Never mind. Never mind.
We're not gonna, this will be in fast motion, so
Oh, really? Okay. Then
I
Can
won't
I-
put any sound with it, so. And we took the tape off this way, which was marking, the place to keep the stars above. But what we probably should have done, instead of putting the piece of tape there, is to draw a pencil line. Because we're going to put the rest of the stripes on now, and we do not want a stripe heading this way across the top of our
No.
t-shirt. Except maybe if you do, you could maybe leave that on there.
maybe.
But I'm going to
maybe.
draw a pencil line for you to make your blue tape come up to.
I don't see anything. Okay, that one.
Yeah, so it comes right up to that line.
Yes, meow.
And these are going to be our red and white stripes.
Yay, I love red
And
one.
of course, where we leave the blue tape is where the that's where it's going to be left white.
So wait, should I go?
Come right up to that line, so this is nice and straight up there. And that has to be all nice and straight. And then you all want these to be about the same distance apart, so your stripes are very even.
Wait, is this
It's a little
good?
bit harder to
Is
do.
this a good density part for this?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
You're probably gonna want another one over here though too. Comes the fun part where we get to try the spray paint. Now, Esther, do you want to do yours yourself, or
It says stuff on it.
we'll go it off?
I can't.
Yeah, move. So we put a piece of paper down because we're gonna spray the top part blue.
And you might want to be outside.
Yes, you definitely want to do spray painting outside. And you want to test it first just to see how heavy or light it comes out. Right?
That's very light.
Very light. I want mine kind of light so you can see what you want on yours. Okay?
I want. Oh, Mom. I do like how light it is.
You like it light like that?
I haven't seen someone do it.
Would you like to do yours yourself?
Oh, sure. I'm kind of scared to do that before. I've never done that. Can I try?
Yeah, you can try.
I want to try first.
Try it over here on this.
I can't push it.
Don't spray me. Here, do you want me to do it?
I can't push it.
Yeah, here, let me do it.
I can't push it.
It is hard to push.
I want mine like yours.
All right. Well, that way we have matching shirts. You're standing in front of the camera, but that's okay.
Oh, sorry.
So there's our blue,
Very pretty.
more or less. What do you think?
Can I do some on my face?
You want some on your sleeves?
Yeah. I don't know. I don't
Sure. Okay, so that's light on the blue. And now we're going to take this paper off, so that'll give us a sort of idea of how.
Woo!
Oh, see, I put that on there crooked. Or it got moved, I guess. Let me try to spray that again. I think it got moved, which is not going to look good because it's going to be a stripe there, but oh, not bad.
Ready?
Yeah, I don't like that line right there. And if you lay it out, you won't have all those wrinkles either. So, but that's okay. That looks kind of cool. That's part of the look.
Yeah.
Part of the tie-dye look. All right, so we took our poster board off. See, my line's not perfect either. And then we're going to put this on the top side now.
Yep. I know what we're doing now.
You want to line that up for me?
So we're gonna make this red, right?
Yes. So this is going to be the red part now.
Give me
And if we cross it over, we're going to have purple.
Wait, what? What do you mean cross it over?
Well, if we get the blue and the red together, it's going to be purple.
Purple. I love it.
All right, you ready? I'll try mine first. And we're just using regular
I want
spray
mine
paint
a-
with this.
I want mine a little dark.
You want darker?
Yeah, I want dark. I want it darker.
Right.
So, this is what we're gonna be doing next.
Yeah, now we're ready for the exciting part to see how it turned out. We don't have a clue. I don't know, did we mention to put in the cardboard in between before you spray paint? I don't know, but I hope that
We'll
if
put
you're watching this, you'll remember that, because otherwise, the spray paint's going to go through the shirt.
maybe.
So we put the cardboard in between.
Yep.
Can remove that now.
Yeah.
Shaking it out.
Go away.
All right, you going to take the stripes off first or the stars off first?
I want to do the stars.
I'm gonna do the stars too. Oh yeah, the stars turned out cute.
Those are adorable. I'm gonna show them.
Okay, we can save these. I don't know what we're going to do with them. but-
Yeah, they're fun though.
We are-
Set two. Wait.
We're gonna put a little cuts in our shirts.
Yeah, you don't have to do that, but I
No,
think
you don't
it
have to. You
makes
can leave it like this. All right.
sense. Okay, so
I'm gonna cut
she's
little-
gonna cut. She's gonna make a tank top,
little cap sleeves maybe under this.
but I'm not
Like a
gonna
little
do
tank
that.
top, and then I'm gonna cut the bottom like a triangular shape.
I'm gonna do
Like
the bottom.
that, so that I can tie, and then split up the middle, and then I'll be able to tie that together in just a little knot.
I'm
That helps hide
But
my little stomach.
I'm
In
gonna do something.
case you need those camouflaging things, but I hear vertical stripes help you make thinner.
I'm
Thinner.
going
Not
to
you have
do
to
the
worry about that.
bottom like hers, except
You
my
gonna do the bottom too? I thought you were gonna
no.
do
I'm
the
just
sleeves.
gonna do the sleeves.
All right, let's do your sleeves then.
Okay, here
I
this
said,
is.
wait, you're like, why is there one dark stripe on yours? Because you forgot you forgot one.
Oh.
You forgot one. And now we'll get your shirt cut. I got mine cut. Stars everywhere.
like my
I'm
lot.
making you a little sleeve like this with a little
I'm
knot.
just.
Her t-shirt's a little big, so that won't make the sleeves hang down so much. Well, I'm gonna cut a triangle
Mhm.
here,
Yes,
and then cut it across the top of the sleeve here. I guess I'll try it this way. Triangle here, and just one line here.
Mhm.